How to turn off post or story sharing on TikTok. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn off post or story sharing on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here is the options of profile at the bottom right corner. So after this you can see three lines on the top right corner. After this click on setting and privacy. So when you will click on setting and privacy, here you can see the option of privacy. So click on privacy. So after this scroll down. When you will scroll down, here you can see story option. So click on story. So after this select only you. So when you will select only you, so no one can add your post or story on TikTok. So guys, in this way you can set privacy that no one can add your post or story. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.